Today I realized that I would rather be wrong, not be understood, than to try to get it right or be right. You got it correct, because that means that I wanted the validation to feel secure. I didn't want to be an outcast, an outsider. I need you to see me good enough, certain way. God, I really need to cut my hair. It's getting like everywhere in my face, but there's a part of me that loves it. God loves long hair. It's abundance, it's vitality, it's life. I was watching the NFL draft just randomly, and I was like, all these people that are being chosen, man, that's got to feel good. That has to make them feel powerful. Or even like Justin Bieber performing on Coachella has to feel really good. Celebrities, they're all validated. Now it appears that they get the attention, it's the money, but that's not the cause, that's the effects. The cause is their I am, their power, their authority. And you see it in their eyes, you see it in what they do, because it's come from who they are. I don't have anything written on this board. Remember, it's just furniture. But I want you to know, and comment this below, I am is the only thing that is needed. You are before anything else, before your name, before $16,000, before anything else. The body, I am comes first before anything else. I am is what remains when you go to sleep. It's the first thing that arises in the morning. You don't need to be validated. You don't need to be right. Right now, I don't have the need to be understood. And trust me, Ivan was very afraid. He still is at some point. Thinks about it. It's like, is this like, well, I don't have a ground to stand on. I don't know what I'm trying to say. That's the whole point. You're speaking the truth. The truth cannot be put into a box. It has to be out there. It has to be raw. It has to be naked. It has to be, this is my word. Whatever I say goes. Because if I need you to believe me, then I don't believe it fully. To be free is to be wrong. It's to not be understood. Is to be unfazed really by your opinions, which would only be my contradictions, my doubt, my fear. No more fear, no more powerlessness, no more reacting to the 3D world, which is an effect. Like I said, all these people, it's just the effect of who they are. Their cause is their I am, their families, their entire lives that they built has come from this cause, which is the I am. This is what you don't see. This is what you're not willing to step into, the power of the unknown that can only be pointed towards. This is why I can't teach you anything. This is why I can only show you and embody a state, a billionaire state, which is not about the money. It's about who you are. I am. It's about God. You believe in God, right? You believe in something greater than you. Now, do you believe that there's something greater, it's outside of you, or it is you? And that whatever it is, it must be you because you know it. You're watching it. You're the watcher, you're not the watch. The watch is this character that you're playing. Do you want to have fun, or do you want to be bored? Please choose it to be fun. But just know that when it's fun, there's going to be tension and friction. The boring part is the unfazed. It's the unbothered. That's the frequency. Okay, so we could say that this frequency that I'm talking about, oh, look at me, I'm teaching you now, is the unbothered state. You're so unbothered by what people say about you. The words cannot define you. They have no power. You give it power, all the meaning. Now, I see this with my family, okay? And these are your strongest tides, right? If your family, like, look at that, your family can't even support you, love you, and you can overcome that somehow. This is the old identity crumbling to the floor. It does everything it can to react. Oh, they're so loud. I can't deal with them. I don't even want to see them anymore. You're giving it power. If you can do that, if you can be completely unbothered, that's the frequency. Unbothered. It's just sound. It's just shapes, images. It's like a movie that you're watching. You're the watcher, you're not the watched. Let it unfold, let it play. What does it have to do with this new state that you're occupying with? The I am. Take back your power and your authority, because your family in a way is a higher authority. They know the broke Ivan, the flawed one, the not good enough. You're the better brother or the bigger brother. And it reminds you of that part of you that you're still rejecting about yourself. Can you love that part of you and be completely bored by it, unfazed by it? Because it's not really you. You are the I am. You are before anything else. So be wrong. Have the power, the willingness to be wrong. And in that, you're going to find the freedom of this unbothered state, which is your I am. Comment below, I am. That's it. That's all that's needed. It's already done. I'm going to see you in the next video.